For today's video, we're going to make a laser focus gauge like this one right here. I'm just going to cut it out of some scrap 5mm Luan plywood, and we're just going to start by grabbing a square and just drag out a rectangle and drop it. Click the selector tool. Up top, we're going to start at 3. So we're going to make the height 3mm. And we're going to make the length 160. That's about 6 inches. So remember, you can scroll in and out with your mouse. You can push down and move the entire canvas around. So we're going to move it in. And going up, we're going to decrease by 15mm for each step. So just select Control D, move it up with the arrow keys. And then we want to make the height on that one 1mm. And we're going to make the length 145. Like that. Then you can get in close, grab the edge, hold your Alt key, and you can see it gives you the guidelines, and just snap it into place. And while it's selected, Control D for another one, move it up a little bit, then leave it at 1. All of the steps up will be 1, and then we'll make the next one 130. Grab it, hold Alt, and snap it into place. Control D, move it up out of the way. And then we want to make this one, if I can keep it selected, I want to make this one 115. And we're going to keep doing this until we get to a thickness of 10mm. And just keep going down by 15. So this one will be 85. These are real handy to have. Save you some time. Sometimes you may want to defocus for different materials, and this will help you do it without struggling. One more. So by the time you go from 160 down to 55 for the last one, you're there. And just snap that one into place. Grab all of them, go over to the left and weld them together. And there you go. And then you can put some numbers on. I'll scroll in close. You won't hardly be able to see this 3 by the time you cut this, but it'll be there. And then you can just put your steps up by 1. You could duplicate them and move them over, or just keep clicking between selector and your text tool. I've been stacking pieces of wood for focus and trying to use that leg that's on the side of the laser, and all that gets frustrating. So this right here, I think you'll like it a lot better. We'll make these numbers a little bit larger. This is easy enough to do, but I mean, I've been using my laser for at least a year and a half now, a little over a year and a half. Why did I do 8 twice? I don't know. And I haven't been, in all that time, I have not made a focus gauge. Not like this, I should have. So just make these numbers a little larger if you like. Make it look a little better. You can grab one of your logos or something and put on the end of it. I'm sure you won't forget that this is in millimeters, but right here we will put millimeter. Let me see if I got a quick logo I can stick on here. If you've never used one of these, I think you're really going to like it. It is really helpful. All right, so now I can quit talking. I believe we are there. All right, and then save that, or stick it in your art library. You can select it, import, and then you can save it there. It's right there. I don't know why I started dragging it. I get ahead of myself sometime. Okay, so let's jump in the laser, cut this out, and see what we got. All right, folks, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm cutting this out of a scrap piece of 5mm Luan hardwood plywood. It's a good project wood, but it's perfect for this. So let's send the code over, cut it out, see what it looks like. Okay, well that is a good looking focus gauge. So with that, there's no more guessing, and you can try different heights with different materials and get your perfect focal length. So if you have any questions, let me know, or any comments. I appreciate the questions and comments. They help me to learn and help others learn that come across them. So please like and subscribe if it was helpful. It keeps me in the shop, and it does help the channel grow, so I appreciate it. So just check back often for new videos. You folks take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.